Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm here to show you my fidgets. They're in this box. Hey, I gave my horse one to my friends. So I have these 3 puppets. I gave it to my other friends 2 puppets for free. I'm crazy sometimes. So this one's a little owl. Good. So this one's a milkshake. Like a Starbucks coffee, yeah. Okay. They're going to stay here. I want you guys to see that. Oh, okay. No. So this is going to be over here. Waiting. And this one too. They're almost the exact way. I'm going to see if they're the same color. Yes, they actually are the same colour in the same order. I actually didn't notice that until now. Then I have this rainbow ribbon. Oh my god, I love puppets. Comment puppet if you love puppets in the comments. Squishies. Comment squishy in the comments if you love squishies. It's up to you. I love to do this way. Sorry, puppets. You guys are dead. So I like putting this on the floor here. And then I just like to sit on it. And it just gets flat. Anyways, I'm going to try and do this Rubik's Cube. Like, I don't know how to. Sometimes you just have to remember it. Okay, I'm so lost right now. I'm going to try to get this one here. So, wait, I think I'm already almost there. Okay, just kidding. This takes a long time. Once I did 2 Rubik's Cubes in 10 minutes. I don't know how to. Not at the same time, obviously. Wait. Oh. Oh god, I thought I was going to make it, but no. Ugh! Why is my friend's Rubik's Cube so much easier than this one? Oh god, no. Oh really? Come on. Huh? Comment down below what's your timing of doing Rubik's Cube. Come on. You know what, I give up. Oh, this smells so good. Try and smell it. Wait, I'm going to do something. I know I had more fidgets. Now I have no idea where they went. R.I.P. fidgets. So, I guess I'm going to try and go for some more fidgets. So, let's see how this is. A flat pancake. Now let's see it grow. Wait. Okay, let's try that again. Come. No. Okay. Not that high. Sorry, no, that was going into the bed. No! Okay, this is a fidget, if you didn't know. There was something in my mouth that was disgusting. No pequeño sin pantalón. I'm already cleaning up my fidgets. Barely did anything in this video. Why didn't I do it barely anything in this video? I have no idea. Wait, please close, please close. Oh. Where's my thing? Never mind. Ignoring everything I said. Okay. Comments, fidgets, if you think they're calming. I'm going to the beach. Into the beach, into the beach, into the beach. Squishmallow. Squishmallow. Gonna brush my hair. Ow. That was 5. Okay. So I had a bird once, which was in this cage. I rescued him. But then he flew away and he wouldn't stop hitting his head on the wall. So I let him go. And also, my mum was the one who told me to let him go. And also when I went to my aunt's house, she was basically like, oh wait, I think that bird you can keep it because those birds are supposed for you to keep in a house. And I let him go. Why did I just start saying random stories? Oh. Whoever was in 2020 collection LOL book cards, yeah. You can have these. I have freaking so many of these. What is this? This is from LOL. If you can see it, if I find the book, I'll show you guys. Because I was obsessed with LOLs in 2020. I hate them now. I'm going to show you like one of the scariest dolls that I have because I do not like dolls. They are scary. I'm going to go get her. Her name is Junior Lily. I mean Coco. Junior Coco. She's staring at you guys. She likes me, I think. She's a rock star, gold little rock star. Okay, well, she's gonna do her hair because it's all. Oh God. This is stuck. Okay. Bye, guys.